Hi everybody, don't get worried by watching complicated maths. It's so easy and here I am to help you. Given if x minus y, comma, y plus 2 equals y minus 2, comma, 2x plus 1, then determine x and y. Here x minus 1 equals respectively y minus 2 and y plus 2 equals respectively 2x plus 1. So at first we have to rearrange the equations. X minus 1 respectively equals to y minus 2, and this one is the equation number 1. Okay, next y plus 2 respectively equals to 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, and this one is the equation number 2. Now we have to rearrange them, like from equation number 1, x minus 1 equals y minus 2, x, moving positive y from the right side to the left side, it becomes negative y equals to, here we have negative 2. Moving negative 1 from the left side to the right side, it becomes positive 1. X minus y equals minus 2 plus 1 equals to minus 1. So this one is the equation number 3. Now using equation number 2, y plus 2 equals 2x plus 1. So here moving 2x from the right side to the left side, it becomes negative 2x, and here we have positive y equals, here we have 1, and now moving positive 2 from the left side to the right side, it becomes negative 2. Minus 2x plus y equals plus 1 minus 2 equals minus 1. We can multiply negative 1 from the both sides. One times negative 2x equals positive 2x. Negative 1 times positive y equals negative y equals to negative 1 times negative 1 equals to positive 1. So this is the equation number 4. Hope you understand. Now using equation number 3 and 4, we get the value of x and y. So what do? Let's observe the equation number 3 and 4. Here x minus y equals minus 1, and here 2x minus y equals 1. So here minus y and minus y. So we have to subtract the equation number 4 from the equation number 3. By subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 3, x minus y equals minus 1, and here 2x minus y equals 1. As we are subtracting equation number 4, so we have to change the signs from the equation 4. So here we have positive sign, it changes into negative sign. Minus, it becomes plus, and here it is plus, it becomes minus. Plus x minus 2x, it gives minus x. minus y and plus y gone off. Minus 1 and minus 1 equals minus 2. Multiplying negative 1 from the both sides, it becomes x equals 2. So the value of x is 2. Now using the value of x in the equation number 3 or 4, we get the value of y. Equation number 3, substituting the value of x is 2 minus y equals minus 1. Moving 2 from the left side to the right side, it becomes negative 2. So minus y equals minus 1 and minus 2 equals minus 3. By multiplying minus 1 from the both sides, it becomes y equals 3. So the value of y is 3. So we get the value of x and y respectively 2 and 3. Now let's verify the values of x and y, either they are valid or not. Using equation number 1, left hand side equals right hand side, we get the value of x is 2. Substituting the value of x is 2 minus 1 equals, as the value of y is 3, so 3 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 equals 1 equals plus 3 minus 2 equals 1. Left hand side and right hand side are balanced. So our values of x and y are valid. So x comma y equals respectively 2 comma 3. Hope you understand and enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and share. Don't forget to follow and subscribe our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Thank you.